Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope all are doing good. Today we will discuss the activities and notes of chapter 7. Do you remember the name of our chapter? Yes, it's all about our clothes. Chapter 7, our clothes. So children, please take page number 174 of your EVS textbook. Take page number 174 of your EVS textbook. Okay. There are 7 our clothes. A. Look at the clothes of the children in the pictures and say whether the day is hot, cold or rainy. Look at the clothes of the children in the pictures and say whether the day is hot, cold or rainy. Observe the pictures. Here you can see 3 pictures are there. In the first picture you can see 2 kids and a bright sun. And the second picture you can see a boy wearing raincoat, gumboots and having an umbrella. And in the third picture, you can see a girl wearing sweater, muffler, cap, socks and everything. Okay, so please observe these pictures and say whether the day is hot, cold or rainy. So first one, you can see the bright shiny sun. So the day is hot. You can write hot. In the second, you can see the boy with a raincoat, gumboots and having umbrella. So it's a rainy day. Okay. And the third one, the girl with muffler, sweater, socks and caps. So the day is cold. The day is cold. So first, in the first picture, below the first picture, you can write hot. Second, you can write rainy. And the third, you can write cold. Okay. Next is B. Circle the correct names of these clothes and color the pictures. Okay, children. You can see 3 pictures. And circle the correct names of these clothes and color the pictures. Okay, so the first one you can see a picture and below that it is written like pajamas and shorts. Pajamas or shorts, which one you know? Please circle the correct name of these clothes. Okay. And the second one, observe the picture carefully and write the correct answer. Circle the correct name. Second, the options are scarf or handkerchief. And the third picture, it is given kurta or shirt. You can circle the correct name of these clothes and color the picture. Please color the picture using color pencil or crayons. Okay. Children, please take page number 175. Page number 175 of your EVS textbook. See, write the names of the people who wear these uniforms using words from the help box. You can see 5 pictures are there. Below that, you can see help box is there. In that, firefighter, chef, postman, student, doctor. In the help box, it is given firefighter, chef, postman, student, doctor. Observe the pictures carefully and you just write the names of the people who wear these uniforms with the help of these words given in the help box. So the first one, observe the picture, you can say it's a doctor. Second one, it's postman. Third one, firefighter. Fourth, chef. Fifth one, student. So please complete this work neatly. Okay. Okay. Chapter 7, Our Clothes, Notes. New words. Heat, rain, cold, wind, dust, dirt, insects, cotton, summer, woolen, winter, silk, silkworms, rainy, uniform. Heat, H-E-A-T, H-E-A-T. Rain, R-A-I-N, R-A-I-N. Cold, C-O-L-D, cold. Wind, W-I-N-D, wind. Dust, D-U-S-T, dust. Dirt, D-I-R-T, dirt. Insects, I-N-S-E-C-T-S, insects. Cotton, Z-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. Summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Woolen, W-O-O-L-L-E-N, woolen. Winter, W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. Silk, S-I-L-K, silk. Silkworms, S-I-L-K-W-O-R-M-S, silkworms. Rainy, R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. Uniform, U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Fill in the blanks. We wear dash clothes in summer. We wear dash clothes in summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Cotton clothes in summer. Second one, we wear dash clothes in winter. We wear dash clothes in winter. Woolen, we wear woolen clothes in winter. We get dash from silkworm. We get silk from silkworm. We get silk from silkworm. We get dash from sheep. We get dash from sheep. We get wool from sheep. Yes. Always wear dash clothes. Always wear clean clothes. Always wear clean clothes. Children also wear dash to school. Children also wear uniform to school. Children also wear uniform to school. Next, true or false. Write true for correct statement and false for the wrong statement. First one, woolen clothes keep us cool. Woolen clothes keep us cool. It's a wrong statement, so please write false. Woolen clothes keeps us warm. Actually, woolen clothes keeps us warm. That is the right answer. Second one, we get silk from silkworm. We get silk from silkworm. Yes, it's a right statement. So please write true. Third one, always wear clean and tidy clothes. Always wear clean and tidy clothes. Yes, true. Next one is match the following. Match the following. Here in the A, woolen clothes, cotton clothes, umbrella and silk are given in the A part. Woolen clothes, cotton clothes, umbrella and silk. B part, summer, winter, silkworm and rainy. B part is summer, winter, silkworm and rainy. So please match it correctly. So woolen clothes match it to winter, and cotton clothes, you know, we wear cotton clothes in summer. Umbrella, we use umbrella in the rainy season, and we get silk from silkworm. So please match it correctly. Okay, good. Next is answer the following questions. First question. Name any two people who wear uniform. Name any two people who wear uniform. You can write any two people, name of any two people who wear uniform. Okay, here I am giving you first is student, second nurse. You can write other options also like doctor, postman, policeman. Okay. Second question. Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? You know, we wear cotton clothes in summer. The question is why? Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? Why? Answer. We wear cotton clothes in summer because they keep us cool. We wear cotton clothes in summer because they keep us cool. Okay. Third question. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? In winter, we use woolen clothes. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? You know, in winter the climate is cold. Okay, to withstand this cold climate, we wear woolen clothes, which helps to keep our body warm. Okay, so woolen clothes keep us warm. Okay, we wear woolen clothes in winter because they keep us warm. Because they keep us warm. Okay. Then, next one is an activity for you. Paste a photograph of yourself in your school uniform. Okay, paste a photograph of yourself in your school uniform, or send me a picture of yours in your school uniform. Send me a picture of yours in your school uniform. Please send your photograph in my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.